Today we are going to learn O words. Before entering into the topic, shall we have a small recap of vowels? What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. You have already learned A words, E words and I words in our previous classes. Now we are going to learn O words. First, we are going to see the word family of ought. What is the sound for the letter O? It's O. What is the sound for the letter T? It's T. When we blend the sound, O, T, ought. O, T, ought. Now, we are going to add some more letters with the word ought to make new three-letter words. First, I am going to add the letter C. What is the sound for the letter C? It's K. K or cot. K or cot. We sleep on it. The next letter we are going to add is D. What is the sound for the letter D? It's D. D or dot. D or dot. Dot is a tiny round mark. The next letter we are going to add is H. What is the sound for the letter H? It's H. H or hot. H or hot. Usually we like to drink hot coffee or tea in the rainy season. The next letter we are going to add is L. What is the sound for the letter L? It's L. L or lot. L or lot. Lot means many. Children, you can see many fruits here. Fruits are good for health. The next letter we are going to add is P. What is the sound for the letter P? It's P. P or pot. P or pot. Pot is a vessel made up of clay which is used to carry water. The next word family we are going to see is op. Op, 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 op. Now we are going to add some more letters with the word op to make new three-letter words. Now we are going to add the letter H. The sound for the letter H is H. H op hop. H op hop. Hop means a short jump on one leg. The next letter we are going to add is M. What is the sound for the letter M? It's M. M of mop. M of mop. We clean the floor with a long stick called mop. The next letter we are going to add is T. What is the sound for the letter T? It's T. T of top. T of top. Do you like to play with the top? Yes. The next letter we are going to add is P. The sound for the letter P is P. P of pop. P of pop. Pop is a cracking sound. Corn pops when it is roasted. And the next word family we are going to see is odd. Odd, odd. Odd, odd. Shall we add some more letters with the word odd to make new three-letter words? First, we are going to add the letter N. The sound for the letter N is N. N or nod. N or nod. Nod means shaking the head. If I ask any question, you nod your head to say yes. The next letter we are going to add is P. The sound for the letter P is P. P or pod. P or pod. Pod means a shell outer layer of the peas. The next letter we are going to add is R. What is the sound for the letter R? It's R. R or rod. R or rod. Rod is a straight bar made up of metal. Children, you can see the metal rod in between the windows. The next word family we are going to see is og. Og, og. Og, og. Now we are going to add some more letters with og to make new 3-letter words. First we are going to add the letter D. The sound for the letter D is D. D og dog. D og dog. Dog is a pet animal. The next letter we are going to add is F. What is the sound for the letter F? It's og fog. Og fog. Mostly in the winter season, you can see a white snow covered all over the places. You can feel it. The next letter we are going to add is L. The sound for the letter L is L. L og log. L og log. Log is a thick piece of wood. The next letter we are going to add is J. The sound for the letter J is J. J og jog. J og jog. Jog means a slow motion of running. The next word family we are going to see is ox. 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 The first word is ox. Ox is a domestic animal. We use it to pull the cart. The next letter we are going to add is F. Ox, fox. Ox, fox. Fox is a wild animal. The next letter we are going to add is B. The sound for the letter B is B. B. Ox box. B. Ox box. Gifts are usually packed in colorful boxes. The next word family we are going to see is oi. Now shall we add some more letters with the word oi to make new 3-letter words? First we are going to add the letter B. B, oi, boy. B, oi, boy. The next letter we are going to add is T. The sound for the letter T is T. T, oi, toy. T, oi, toy. The next letter we are going to add is J. The sound for the letter J is J. J, oi, joy. J, oi, joy. Joy means the feeling of happiness. Okay, children. Shall we have a small recap of our words? Ought, 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 op, 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 odd, odd, og, og, ox, ox, oi. Very good, children. Now we are going to do a small activity on our words. Name the picture. What picture is this? H O T Heart. Heart. What picture is this? T O P Top. T O top. What picture is this? B O X box. B ox box. What picture is this? P O D pod. P odd pod. What picture is this? D O G dog. D og dog. Okay children, hope you all enjoyed this activity. Thank you.